Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are struggling to keep your AI characters consistent across the scenes in Leonardo AI, trust me, you are not alone. So in today's video, I will show you the most reliable method to lock in that character design every time. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come at Leonardo AI and then log in into your account. Afterwards, click on the launch app option and you will be landed on this page. Over here, simply click on this image option and the interface should look something like this. Here you will see this section where you need to provide your prompt. So you can type your desirable prompt here. For example, this is my prompt that I have written here. After doing so, click on the generate option and wait for some time until Leonardo AI generates the responses for you. As you can see over here, it has generated 3 responses for me. So let's say for my character, I want this image to be consistent. So you need to just tap on it, and over here you will see the prompt option. So you need to tap on that prompt option and you need to just simply copy that prompt from here. You can even come at this page and you can just click on this plus icon and you can copy this prompt from here. Afterwards, if you want to generate the similar kind of images, you will have to type the same prompt here and it will create consistent character images for you. And in order to download these, you need to select the one that you want to download and click on this download image option. This way you will be able to create consistent characters with Leonardo AI. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.